Welcome to Automated Trading. In this step-by-step video, you're going to learn how to subscribe and connect your fully automated trading bot to your Kraken exchange. Now first, go to our home page and then scroll down to where it says Get Started Now and click. From there, you're going to be directed to our subscription page. Choose the subscription, either monthly, quarterly, or annual. All of our automated trading bots will work on Kraken. Click on the subscription button of the trading bot that you desire. And don't forget that you're going to receive a 14-day free trial on your bot. Next, you're going to be directed to our automated trading page called Registration. Enter in your email address, create your password, then click Register. And if you've already registered, you would have been directed to the login page. Now next, you're going to be directed to this page. Simply click the drop down and then click Kraken. From there, you'll be directed to this page. This is where you enter in your API key, your private key, and your Telegram ID. But we will do this in just a moment. But for now, copy your IP address that's up near the top, and you will enter it in just a moment. Now I want you to go to kraken.com and I want you to log in or sign up. Once you have logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Next, click on the 9 dots and a drop-down will open. Then click on Kraken Pro. You'll be directed to this page. Next, in the upper right-hand corner, click on your initials or the image and a drop-down will open. Then click on Settings. You'll be directed to your account page. Near the top, click on Connections and API. You'll be directed to this page then. Click on Create API Key. Then you'll be directed to this page. First off, under Add API Key, create an API name. Then under Funds Permission, click Query. Under Orders and Trades, click all the boxes. Next, click both data boxes. Turn on the WebSocket interface, then turn on IP address restriction. Last, enter the IP address that you just copied earlier. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Generate Key. Next, you'll be directed to this page. Kraken needs to verify that it's you using your passkey or your email. Go ahead with this step. Now, after you have completed your verification process, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will find your API key and your private key. First, copy on the API key and save it to a document, which is very important to do. Then copy and paste your private key on the same document. Again, very important. Keep this document in a safe place should you ever need it. Then click Close. Now let's retrieve your Telegram channel ID. If you have not downloaded Telegram, please go to telegram.org and do so. Now once you have set up your Telegram channel, type in the search area ID bot. Then under Contacts and Chats, click ID bot. Your Telegram ID will show up. Copy your ID and save it to a document. Now go back to the automated trading page. It should still be open for connecting your Kraken account. Now paste in your API key, your private key, and your Telegram ID, then click Submit. Now you're going to be directed to our checkout page of our website. You're almost done. Fill in all of the billing details, then review your order and enter in your choice of payment. Then click the box for terms and conditions and then click Subscribe. Now you're going to be directed to your dashboard on our website. On your dashboard, there is a related subscription section. It should say Active. This means your automated trading bot is now active on Kraken. Now for your records, we are going to send you a confirmation order in your email box. Your automated trading bot is now connected to your Kraken account, so let's do some automated trading. And oh, by the way, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our automated trading team because we're here to help.